Don't be scared. Good evening. How are you today? We move to 3D mockup designs tonight. All we have to do is paste the link we've been given on the platform. So after pasting the link, we allow it to load. This is one of the best ways to make a 3D book cover. So this is what pops up on the page. You can scroll through just to see different kind of designs we have, and you pick any one you desire, but I'm going to select that of the composite. This is what we have on the composite designs. We can see, so I'm selecting the first one. Then you click on browse, whereby you need to select the design you might have before on your phone that you want it to appear as your book cover, and you click on upload. So you do the same to the second interface you're seeing. You upload the book cover you want. Then you scroll down, you can see. So you can scroll up again to pick the next. This is what we have. So basically we have two types of picture format. We have the JPG and we have the PNG. So the PNG is the transparent one, while the JPG is the normal picture. So after doing that, you select the step 3 to download your free markup. So here it is on my device. This is what I have. So let's go back. I need to select another type of image format so we all can see and know the difference. So I'm picking the JPG this time around, and this is what we have after downloading. Bam, it's here. So hope we all can see the difference between a PNG and the JPG. It is very simple. You can decide to pick any format